Hujambo, welcome to Swahili with Teacher Ibrahim. In this lesson today, I'm going to teach you 100 most common Swahili verbs for beginners. These verbs, a beginner must understand them. But before we start this lesson, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to more than 2 people so that they can understand and speak Swahili as well. Now, let's get started. Number 1, kula, to eat, kula. Number 2, kunywa, to drink, kunywa. Number 3, kwenda, to go, kwenda. Number 4, kuja, to come, kuja. Number 5, kuona, to see, kuona. Number 6, kusikia, to hear, kusikia. Number 7, kusema, to say, kusema. Number 8, kuongea, to speak, kuongea. Number 9, kusoma, to read, kusoma. Number 10, kuandika, to write, kuandika. Number 11, kulala, to sleep, kulala. Number 12, kuamka, to wake up, kuamka. Number 13, kukaa, to stay or to sit, kukaa. Number 14, kusimama, to stand, kusimama. Number 15, kutembea, to walk, kutembea. Number 16, kukimbia, to run, kukimbia. Number 17, kucheza, to play, kucheza. Number 18, kuimba, to sing, kuimba. Number 19, kucheka, to laugh, kucheka. Number 20, kulia, to cry, kulia. Number 21, kupenda, to love or to like, kupenda. Number 22, kuchukia, to hate, kuchukia. Number 23, kufikiria, to think, kufikiria. Number 24, kujua, to know, kujua. Number 25, kuelewa, to understand, kuelewa. Number 26, kujifunza, to learn, kujifunza. Number 27, kufundisha, to teach, kufundisha. Number 28, kufanya, to do, kufanya. Number 29, kufanya kazi, to work, kufanya kazi. Number 30, kusaidia, to help, kusaidia. Number 31, kuuliza, to ask, kuuliza. Number 32, kujibu, to answer, kujibu. Number 33, kufungua, to open, kufungua. Number 34, kufunga, to close, kufunga. Number 35, kupika, to cook, kupika. Number 36, kusafisha, to clean, kusafisha. Number 37, kuosha, to wash, kuosha. Number 38, kuvaa, to wear, kuvaa. Number 39, kuvua, to remove clothes, kuvua. Number 40, kununua, to buy, kununua. Number 41, kuuza, to sell, kuuza. Number 42, kulipa, to pay, kulipa. Number 43, kupokea, to receive, kupokea. Number 44, kutoa, to give or to remove, kutoa. Number 45, kuchukua, to take, kuchukua. Number 46, kuweka, to put, kuweka. Number 47, kupata, to get or to find, kupata. Number 48, kupoteza, to lose, kupoteza. Number 49, kutafuta, to search or to look for, kutafuta. Number 50, kupata, to obtain, kupata. Number 51, kufika, to arrive, kufika. Number 52, kuondoka, to leave, kuondoka. Number 53, kurudi, to return, kurudi. Number 54, kuingia, to enter, kuingia. Number 55, kutoka, to go out, kutoka. Number 56, kuishi, to live, kuishi. Number 57, kufa, to die, kufa. Number 58, kuzaliwa, to be born, kuzaliwa. Number 59, kuoa, to marry, kuoa. Number 60, kuolewa, to marry, kuolewa. Number 61, kupumzika, to rest, kupumzika. Number 62, kuogelea, to swim, kuogelea. Number 63, kuendesha, to drive, kuendesha. Number 64, kupanda, to climb or to board, kupanda. Number 65, kushuka, to go down, kushuka. Number 66, kufungua mlango, to open a door, to open a door, kufungua mlango. Number 67, kusubiri, to wait, kusubiri. Number 68, kujaribu, to try, kujaribu. Number 69, kushinda, to win, kushinda. Number 70, kupotea, to get lost, kupotea. Number 71, kuamini, to believe, kuamini. Number 72, kukumbuka, to remember, kukumbuka. Number 73, kusahau, to forget, kusahau. Number 74, kuleta, to bring, kuleta. Number 75, kupeleka, to take or to send, kupeleka. Number 76, kuonyesha, to show, kuonyesha. Number 77, kuficha, to hide, kuficha. Number 78, kuanza, to start, kuanza. Number 79, kumaliza, to finish, kumaliza. Number 80, kubeba, to carry, kubeba. Number 81, kuvunja, to break, kuvunja. Number 82, kutengeneza, to repair or to make, kutengeneza. Number 83, kujenga, to build, kujenga. Number 84, kubadili, to change, kubadili. Number 85, kufurahia, to enjoy, kufurahia. Number 86, kuogopa, to fear, kuogopa. Number 87, kukasirika, to get angry, kukasirika. Number 88, kushangaa, to be surprised, kushangaa. Number 89, kuhitaji, to need, kuhitaji. Number 90, kutaka, to want, kutaka. Number 91, kujaribu, to attempt, kujaribu. Number 92, kufuata, to follow, kufuata. Number 93, kuacha, to stop or to leave, kuacha. Number 94, kukubali, to accept, kukubali. Number 95, kukataa, to refuse, kukataa. Number 96, write your answer on a comment section how we say to thank in Swahili, how we say to thank. Then number 97, also write your answer on a comment section how we say to request or to pray in Swahili. Number 98, also write your answer on a comment section to travel in Swahili. Number 99, write your answer on a comment section to arrive in Swahili. Also 100, the last one, to continue in Swahili. Thank you for watching my video till the end. You can find me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at Kiswahili with Ibrahim. Contact me to learn online. +254 769 0016 69. Even don't forget to share this video to more than 2 people so that they can understand Swahili as well. Don't forget to answer this question number 96, 97 to 100. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kiswahili with Ibrahim.